Tired of booking a hotel only to find out there is no gym? Here is how to filter for fitness centers on Expedia in under 30 seconds. I will walk you through the exact steps, from searching to applying the gym filter so you never waste time again. All right, let us jump right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Expedia.com. This is the main starting point for everything we are about to do. So once that page loads, you will see the main navigation bar near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on the button that says Stays. That is your first move. By clicking Stays, you are telling Expedia that you want to look for a hotel room, not a flight or a rental car. It is a simple step, but it makes sure you are in the right place. Now, this is where we start building your search. You will see a few empty fields. Enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests. So type in where you want to go, pick your check-in and check-out dates, and then tell it how many adults and kids are traveling. This might take a moment to fill out, but take your time and make sure it is correct. Once that is all set, click the blue search button. The page will refresh and load up a list of all the available hotels for your trip. And here is the really important part. On the results page, you need to locate the filters section. It is usually on the left-hand side of the screen or at the top if you are on a mobile device. Look for the word filters and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. Now you will see a list of different categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Amenities or Property Features. Click on that to expand it. Then simply check the box next to Fitness Center or Gym. As soon as you do that, Expedia will instantly refresh your results. You will notice the list of hotels change right in front of your eyes. Take a moment to review the updated hotel results. You should now only be seeing properties that have a fitness center on site. But do not just stop there. Here is a pro tip that comes from doing this a lot. Click on a hotel to confirm the gym details before you book. Open up the hotel's page and scroll down. Look for a section that lists the amenities. You want to double-check that the gym is actually included in the standard stay. Sometimes a hotel might list a gym as an amenity that is only available for a fee, or it might be temporarily closed. So just take an extra 30 seconds to make sure everything looks good. And that is it. You have gone from aimlessly scrolling through hotel listings to instantly finding only hotels with a gym using a simple filter. You have literally just saved yourself so much time and hassle. Now go ahead and book that hotel with confidence, knowing your morning workout is sorted. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.